Today I'll be talking about 5 extremely easy side hustles that anyone can do to make some extra cash on the side. These side hustles can earn you well over $100 a day. Now, some of these side hustles won't replace your day job. However, make sure you stick till the end, as the last few side hustles can earn you well over $500 a day. So let's get straight into it, starting off with the first side hustle, which is Prime Opinions. Prime Opinions allows you to turn your opinions into cash. All you gotta do is fill in some surveys and you'll get paid. It's literally as simple as that. And you can make as much as $5 per survey. These surveys take around 17 minutes, which means you can earn up to $15 an hour, all from the comfort of your own home filling out surveys. Now, quick disclaimer, this won't replace your full-time job. However, it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. All you gotta do is click my link in the description, sign up and start earning money. It's literally straightforward and very easy to do. Moving on to the next side hustle, which is Webull. Webull was voted the best stock trading platform for beginners. And if you sign up using my link below in the description or in the pinned comment, you can get up to 12 free stocks valued at up to $2,000 each. So you could possibly earn up to $24,000. All you have to do is open up a free brokerage account with Webull, link your bank account, and then deposit any amount of money into your Webull account. It's literally as simple as that. It's also worth considering investing with Webull, as they offer zero commission trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, and they have no minimum deposit requirements. So make sure you sign up to Webull using my link in the description so you can claim your free stocks. Now, moving on to the next side hustle, which is affiliate marketing. I've said this in countless videos, but affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. The reason being that it is extremely passive. Now, there are many ways to make money through affiliate marketing. However, the way I'm going to talk about today is using Instagram theme pages. Instagram theme pages are pages just like these. These are pages based around a niche, and the content uploaded is in that niche. For example, we have a business page over here, and all the content they upload is about business, how to make money online, and wealth. They've posted some great content and managed to gain a huge following. Once you build up your Instagram account, you're able to advertise products or services from other companies. And by using a call to action, you can get your followers to purchase that product or service, which means that you'll earn a cut. Not only that, but once you do have a good enough following, you'll also be approached by multiple companies who will pay you to create a post about their particular product or service. Honestly, it's one of the best ways to make money online. However, bear in mind it will take time to build up your Instagram page, but once you do, you'll see the money just flooding in. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button, as I've got a lot more ways to make money online and you do not want to miss them. Now let's move on to the next side hustle, which is UGC, also known as user generated content. Using this method, you can make hundreds of dollars every week, and you can get free products sent to you that can sometimes be worth thousands. Now, what's UGC? UGC stands for user generated content. Now, brands need content around their product so that they can promote these products to their potential customers, and people are more likely to buy these products when they watch a video from an actual customer. These videos are found mainly all over TikTok and Instagram. Now, to get started with this is extremely easy. All you gotta do is go to a website like Upwork or Fiverr, create an account, and then set up a gig, saying that you'll create a UGC unboxing video for TikTok, and you can create multiple gigs for Instagram as well as YouTube as well. Make sure to add a good description. I would recommend looking at what other gigs have put, and you can maybe use ChatGPT to put it in your own words. Then you'll set your pricing, which again you should base it around others, and maybe making your pricing slightly lower so you can stand out. Companies will then contact you asking you to make a video for their product, and on top of what you can make doing this, the companies can even let you keep the products. Now, with this method you can make up to $10,000 a month, just like what this person here was able to do. This obviously depends on how many jobs you're doing, how long the content is, etc. However, even if in the beginning you're only making $500 or even $1,000 a month, this is still a good amount of money that you're generating on the side. Now, moving on to the final side hustle, which is selling digital products. Selling digital products is a great way to make money online. What makes this so good is that you'll never need to hold inventory and you'll never run out of stock. You can sell these digital products on websites like Etsy and make some serious money. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are selling coloring pages, which is extremely popular on Etsy. If we have a look at this seller, you can see they've made a lot of money and all they sell is coloring pages on Etsy. And you can literally use an AI tool called Midjourney to create these coloring pages for you. If we go onto Midjourney, we can type in something like baby dragon coloring pages, and the AI will come up with designs just like these. As you can see, the designs are really well made. Now, all you got to do is download these designs. You can then upload these onto Etsy, and that's it. You'll get paid every time someone buys your digital product. Now, I've made a video on 5 digital products that you can sell online, so make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.